I'm out trying to enjoy and show you some of the real beauty of Pennsylvania outside of the towns. So I'm up to the next county, Indiana County, and we're moving up out of the Johnstown Valley. I like to call this the Laurel Highlands area, or coming into the area. That's where you'll find the Frank Lloyd Wright architecture and a lot of natural beauty. But I'm going to try to show this spot right up here, if I can get it with this camera. I don't know if you can see the river down in the gorge with this light. I'm going to look for another spot. The rivers and the railroad tracks and the highways always follow each other, usually here in Pennsylvania. I hope these pictures are okay, because this is a spectacular view for me, and I hope you're getting to enjoy it too. Of course, I had to pick up some garbage, and this did not take long, not at all, to pick that up. That's one thing I won't miss about Pennsylvania. Too many people don't respect nature, and they throw garbage everywhere. Especially this road runs straight into Johnstown. Oh, and it's May the 4th, and I have my Star Wars shirt on. So may the 4th be with you. All right. Here's the trail in front of me, Clark Run Trail, so that stream must be called Clark Run. They like to call streams a run here. In Florida, we would probably call it a creek. They call it a run. It's already nice. Get away from the noise of the highway to get off into these woods a little bit. So I'm going to walk, and when I find something, I'll turn the camera back on. I'm going to bet there was a mill here at one time. As you can see, this stonework here, and this creek was used to turn water wheels. I have no doubt. We're in Pennsylvania. They were doing things, having industry here long before steam engines were invented, and water was the power. And the amount of streams that we have provided a lot of that mill power in colonial days. I should go take a swim in this water. Let's see if I can not fall. Oh, stairs. Right? I'm not going to fall on stairs, right? Okay, no. Found a big rock. This is a good place to rest. Oh, the trail got easier right here. Sometimes I don't want to try to film because I need both my hands. Hopefully I'm getting that background of that waterfall to conclude this video. So I wanted to take a motorcycle ride today, and I came out and I visited some nice, beautiful spots outside of town, some of the beautiful natural wonders of Pennsylvania. If you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe. If you don't enjoy the videos, like and subscribe anyway so I can start getting better equipment and do better videos. All right. Good afternoon, friends.